This is Norfolk's front door. You can't miss the giant steel legend, the USS Wisconsin, at Town Point Park. The Pagoda, a striking waterfront landmark with unbeatable harbor views. Cobblestone streets, towering oaks, and elegant 19th century homes. One of Norfolk's oldest and most picturesque neighborhoods, the Freemason District. .358 West Freemason Street, built by John Carey Weston, a forward-thinking businessman whose project started just before the Civil War. After peace returned, Weston completed the home. The Chrysler Museum of Art. Out front stands the powerful Torchbearers statue by sculptor Anna Vaughan Hyatt Huntington. This beautifully maintained complex honors General Douglas MacArthur and the millions who served with him. Norfolk offers an eclectic mix of architectural gems and stories waiting to be explored.